the key to unlocking a life of freedom and opportunity. Hey there, Money Masters! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of finance. Today, we're delving into the insightful wisdom of Paula Pant on financial management and its profound impact on personal development. So, grab your favorite snack and settle in for an enlightening discussion. But first, this is Ash Cash Stash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. The philosophy of money. Paula Pant enlightens us on the fundamental principles of financial management, highlighting that every decision involves a trade-off. Money, she emphasizes, is not just about budgeting. It's a tool to prioritize our values. Managing money means making intentional decisions with our limited resources, including time, focus, energy, and attention. First principles thinking. Pant introduces the concept of first principles thinking, urging us to understand our values, life philosophy, and goals before diving into tactics or products. She notes that people often focus on surface-level questions, like which app to use or whether to invest in cryptocurrency, without establishing a solid foundation based on their values and life goals. Financial independence. One of Pant's key insights is reframing financial independence, or FI, as a pathway to freedom and opportunity, not just retirement savings. FI is achieved when passive income covers basic expenses, allowing the pursuit of passions without financial stress. Pant encourages viewers to see FI as a means to unlock endless possibilities and choices in life. Steps to financial independence. To achieve FI, Pant outlines 3 key steps: growing the gap between income and expenses, investing the gap wisely, and repeating this process over time. She suggests saving and investing at least 20% of income gradually increases this percentage. Pant acknowledges the volatile global environment and urges viewers to use fear as motivation for wise financial decisions and leading an intentional life. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Building wealth through investments. Pant discusses the importance of investing in building wealth and achieving financial independence. She emphasizes the need to diversify investments to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Pant explores various investment options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and entrepreneurship, highlighting the importance of understanding each option's risks and rewards. Overcoming financial challenges. Pant addresses common financial challenges and provides strategies for overcoming them. She discusses the importance of budgeting, saving for emergencies, and avoiding debt. Pant also emphasizes the need to stay disciplined and focused on long-term financial goals, even in the face of short-term challenges. Achieving financial freedom. In this chapter, Pant delves into the concept of financial freedom and how it differs from financial independence. She explains that financial freedom is about having the ability to make choices without being constrained by financial concerns. Pant discusses the importance of setting clear financial goals and developing a plan to achieve them, emphasizing the need for patience and perseverance. The psychology of money. Pant explores the psychological aspects of money management, discussing how our beliefs and attitudes toward money can impact our financial decisions. She explains the concept of money scripts and how they can influence our behavior. Pant also provides tips for developing a healthy money mindset, including practicing gratitude and mindfulness. Money and relationships. In this chapter, Pant discusses the impact of money on relationships. She explores common money-related conflicts in relationships and provides strategies for resolving them. Pant emphasizes the importance of open and honest communication about money matters and the need to align financial goals and values in a relationship. Financial planning for the future. Pant discusses the importance of long-term financial planning and how to create a financial plan that aligns with your goals and values. She explains the key components of a financial plan, including budgeting, saving, investing, and insurance. Pant also provides tips for creating a plan that is flexible and adaptable to life's changing circumstances. In conclusion, Pant's message is clear. Take control of your finances to create a life of freedom, opportunity, and joy. By understanding your values, setting clear goals, and managing your money wisely, you can build a solid foundation for financial independence and a fulfilling life. That wraps up our in-depth exploration of financial management with Paula Pant. We hope you found these insights valuable and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more finance tips and insights. Remember, managing money is not just about numbers. It's about creating a life that aligns with your values and goals. Once again, this is Ash Cash Stash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.